Hey, what's going on? Hope things are well with you. Look, I'm reading this book. It's about marriage, and it's talking about how marriage marriage has three things that make it that makes it that makes the marriage relationship the strongest relationship of all relationships. So you know, this author is saying a friendship can be bound together just by two people having something in common, like their favorite sport or their favorite sports team. So that's like a natural bonding, right? But then he talks about how you can have a spiritual bonding, right? Both of you all serving God, trusting in Jesus Christ. So say you like the same football team, and then or say you like the same restaurant or the same author, but you also have the same God. That's two elements of bonding. But then boom, don't forget about the romance. Man, when you're attracted to somebody, when you are romantically attracted to somebody, you all have similar attractions to the material things in life, and you also have a spiritual attraction to the same things. Wow, it's powerful. It says marriage, of course, can add the power of romantic love to the natural and supernatural bonds of friendship, and this is what can make marriage the richest of all human relationships. It's a beautiful thing. All right, man, I'll see y'all next time.